Oh. Y equals 1.5 over x.
Let's see. So 2 equals k over 3. And so what is k?
Uh, 6.
Yeah. And so what's the formula?
2 equals 6 over 3.
Or in general, y equals 6 over x. K is the constant. And b, use the formula we just made.
Uh, 0.75.
Yep, that's it. And you can leave it as a fraction. It's all the same. Well done, 3/4. So inverse proportion, y equals k over x. Create the formula and then use the formula. Okay, let's try this one. Very similar.
Y equals 10 over x.
Mm-hmm.
0.5.
Mm-hmm.
$2.5.
I believe so. Excuse me. Yep. Okay, let's see this one. Okay, looks different. It should be exactly the same. Let's try this.
Y equals Y equals 5 over x.
I believe when x is 10, sorry, when y is 10, x is 2. So a direct proportion would be 5. This is inverse proportion.
Y equals 20 over x.
That's it. And so we want A and B.
A is 4.
Mm-hmm.
B is 2.
Well done. Great. I think you're good. Excuse me. Okay, how about this one?
C.
That's it. Let's see. Which of these shows direct proportion?
First one.
Yeah. And then that one's there. Match these up. All right.
A is y equals x.
That's y equals x.
B is y equals 1 over x.
Yep.
And C is 2x plus 3.
It's great. This constant of proportionality just means is proportional to. And so which matches with which?
First one matches with C.
What do you mean? This?
That is, I'm not sure.
So that's going to be similar to y equals kx. The second one is like y equals kx squared.
Is that A?
So I believe first two match up.
That one is C.
Yeah.
That one's B.
That one's B. Yeah, that one is like y equals k times 1 over x, which is k over x. That's it. Okay, exam question. What is the first one?
That one's graph B.
Mm-hmm.
I'm not sure.
I'm not worried about the other ones. I don't think we've done them. I don't think we've done them yet. This one looks different. Should be similar. How do we do this?
A equals A equals 140 over B.
Yeah.
W is 2,800.
Let's see. I don't believe so. Let me see. W. So W is in the place of B. And A is 20. Yeah. So if you rearrange that, what should you get?
2,800.
So you'd get 20W equals 140.
Seven.
That's it. Okay, try X.
X to 10.
Well done. How about y?
2.
Y equals 2. Great. Let's see this one. T is 4. That's before graphs. I'll do that. That's going to be alright. Yeah. Alright. Exam questions. Try this.
What is inverse proportional to? Would it be 1? Oh,
When x.
Yeah.
Like what is 1?
No, the answer to the first block.
So, excuse me, this one, y is directly proportional, well, y is proportional to 1 over x squared. That's the same as y equals k times 1 over x squared.
Oh, so it's... Mhm. Would be 10.
Let me see. So what, the first box is 10, is it?
Yeah.
Okay. I don't believe so. Hold on. So what was k for this one?
K is 10.
So it's y equals k over x squared.
Yeah.
So when y is 1,
No,
x squared,
X is 1.
it's 10 squared, not just 10.
Oh. It's 100.
That's it.
That's 25.
Yep.
It's 4.
Well done. That's it. So it was a bit of a leap. But yeah, we had y equals k over x. Now it's y equals k over x squared. Anytime you have something is proportional to something else, there's a constant of proportionality. So it's that times something. Let me see. Whoops. So we just did a trickier one than this, did we? A is inverse proportional to B. Find the value of k. That seems alright. I'll put that there. So exam style question. It seems the same as all the others. Yeah, so this one just needs to be moved forward. Okay. Yeah, let's give this a go.
Would it be 2.25?
For what, k? Oh, for this one?
Oh, for B.
What's the equation in part A? Or what's the value of k?
K is 81.
I think it's 9. So when y is 9, k, you have 1 squared. Yeah, so it's the other way around. It's y is inversely proportional to the square of x. It's not the square of y.
All right. It's 9.
Yeah. Part B.
Is it 0.75?
Well done. Plus or minus, but they wanted the positive value, and so just the positive one. Y equals 9 over x squared, 304. Great. That's good, yes. So it's the square of x, not the square of y. Just watch out for that. That's another exam style question. Alright. Try this. Grade 8. That's alright. I'll take that.
Not sure.
So in general, h is inversely proportional to the square of r. What could you write for that?
H is inversely proportional equals K over R.
Something's missing.
Or R squared.
That's it. What can you do next?
And R is 5. H equals 3.4.
Yeah. So h is 3.4. R is 5.
Uh, 85.
K is 85. Okay. So don't mind me. So what do you get for that one? Find the value of h when r is 8.
1.328125.
Oh, it's a weird one, is it? Okay. I think it's going to be 85 over 64 or something, is it?
Yeah.
5. Okay. Or you can get it as whatever. Do I have the answer? Nah, but that's it. Great. Any questions about that one? Okay. So, yep. H equals K over R squared. I always start from that. Okay, another exam question. How about this?
Not sure.
So, how'd you start it?
T equals K over 8 squared.
We'll start with D squared. Okay.
Squared.
What was next?
12 equals K over 8 squared.
Mm-hmm.
$768.
Okay.
3072.
I knew it'd be some huge number. Okay, yeah, that's it. Great. Why, what part of that were you stuck on?
Oh no, I got the answer right, but I thought it was wrong.
Okay. Yep. No, it's crazy. That is it. I think you'd probably be okay for this. Is it worth doing?
I'm not sure.
Go on. Where did you get stuck for this one?
Well, I did y equals k over x,
Did you do squared?
x squared, yeah.
Mm-hmm.
A equals k over 2.5 squared, so it's 50. So, I'm not sure.
So what's the formula?
Uh, y equals y equals 50 over x squared.
Okay. What information did they give us?
Uh, y is a over 9.
So y is 8 over 9. And is the difficulty solving this?
Is it minus 7.5?
Might be. I don't know. X equals minus 7.5. There we go. X equals minus 7.5. Great. Yep. So same process. The numbers look a bit weirder. 8 over 9. But it's the same idea. And that matches up with that find the positive value type question. Yep. Any questions with that one? Positive value question. So I'll do that. I always rearrange these after, so I do. It's a duplicate. We did this one already. And I have the answer. Yay. So I'm going to keep that. Remember, I'll just keep this one and delete the other one. This one. Oh, wow. The numbers are different. Is it worth doing, or you think you'd be alright?
We can do it.
Alright.
Is it 40,960?
There we go. So we're learning that these direct inverse proportion questions, they've got weird answers and they're all calculator. This looks like it's just another question. Grade 8. Is it worth doing? You think you're alright?
Good.
Okay.
Y equals 1,440 over X.
Something's missing.
Squared.
Yeah.
It's 3.6.
Okay.
It's 30.
X is 30. Yeah, looks good to me. Let's see. Yep. So that stuff, what do you give yourself?
I'll say a tick towards the end.
Okay. Okay, let's try this one.
Y equals 54 over X squared. I mean X cubed.
Yeah. Okay.
B is 2.16.
What is that as a fraction?
54 over 25.
Yeah, I'll do that. 54 over 25. And C? Hang on. This isn't squared, this is cubed.
Oh, so the 54 over 5 cubed.
That's it.
Which is 0.432.
You love your decimals. Oh yeah, the decimal's great actually. 0.432. Alright, that worked. And C.
It's 128 over 729.
That's great. Okay. Yep, I think you're alright for that. Just watch out for the cubed. Okay, exam question. This is strange. But okay. Hang on, before we do a strange one, do I have a more normal one? Not an exam question, I don't. Alright. I've never seen one like this before.
Let's see. So y equals 44a cubed over x.
Something's missing.
X cubed.
Any idea how you do this one?
No, I'm not sure.
The trick is you sub in x to get y. So you sub in, you don't sub in y and solve. You sub in, if it's a show that, you sub in x and you should get the y. So sub in the x value.
A cubed. Oh, y equals 2a. Y equals 44a cubed over 2a.
Something's missing.
2a cubed.
Yeah.
Yep.
So if it's a show that question, what could you put? Or whatever.
Not sure.
What is 2a cubed?
2a times 2a times 2a.
Yep. What does that give you?
6a.
2 times 2 times 2.
I mean, a.
And a times a times a.
A cubed.
That's it. And what can you do there?
Can find the value of a.
A cubed over a cubed.
They cancel out.
Yeah. And so you've got 44 over 8.
5.5.
Yep. And that's like 11 over 2. And so that's 5.5. So you've definitely shown, let's say 11 over 2, 5.5. Yeah, that's definitely been shown. Okay, so now they're just doing it algebraically. So this time, instead of k being 44 or something like that, it's 44a cubed. Instead of x being a number, it's 2a. So you have to sub that in, cancel down. All right. Any questions about that one?
No.
Okay. There we go. Let me see this one. This is inversely proportional. That one's okay. This needs to go back one maybe. Okay. How about this?
Y equals 6 over x cubed. I mean, square root of x.
Yeah.
3. It's 1.
Yep. Well done. All right. So, exam question, and it says correct to 3 sig fig, so it's not going to be a nice answer.
So y equals 18 over x. X and root x.
Yeah.
It's 7.3, 7.35.
What was it? 18 over root 6? Yeah, great. 7.35. Brilliant. This one, okay, so then they begin mixing and matching. Inversely proportional to that, directly proportional to that. If it's directly proportional, then it's kx. In this case, p equals k root t. And you'd go about it that way. They mix and match them then. So it's inversely proportional to d squared, directly proportional to x squared. Okay. And then, yep. So that's, yeah, we're done. Inversely proportional, it's k times 1 over x. So instead of k times x, it's k divided by x. The exam questions, we've seen all of them there. They're very dry. There's no like worded question. It's, you know, all k, x, y, that stuff. So overall, what do you give yourself for that?
I'll say tick mostly. I didn't start off too well.
You did great. Yeah, how was that for you, Jed?
Oh, it was good.
And any topic in particular you want next time?
Have a nice Christmas.
All right, you too. Take care. Goodbye.
Bye.